Hi everyone, this is Chelsea and I'm going to share some do's and don'ts of the gua sha stone. So first things first is you need a gua sha stone. I got mine from Amazon. There might be some other places you want to get yours. Another thing to remember is to moisturize your face. You never want to use a gua sha stone on a dry face. So first thing to do is grab your favorite moisturizer, face moisturizer, or my favorite is the Yara Palm from doTERRA. And you can use some serum, face serum, whichever is your favorite. You can even add in lavender or frankincense would be great for your skin routine. And then go ahead and add that to your face. We want to remember that I'm going to do just a few drops. And you want to remember to, after you moisturize, remember that we're going to be doing these three areas: neck, the spine, and the neck and the face, okay? So, after I get all moisturized up, I'm gonna get my gua sha stone. Another thing you want to remember is with the gua sha stone, you never wanna hold it perpendicular to your face, all right? So when we're doing this, we're gonna be anchoring our face as well, anchoring the skin, so we're not just pulling. We're gonna be anchoring the skin right here and pulling in an upward motion like this. See how it's laying flat to my skin? I'm not pushing into it and I'm not pulling it. I'm gently gliding up, if that makes sense. Another thing to remember is elbows out. Notice I'm not holding it like this or like this. Anchoring, elbows out, pulling, and not pulling, gliding up. So those are some things to remember for the gua sha stone, do's and don'ts.